Hey there, teachers. I've started a new series of videos. We already have Schoology tips here on this YouTube page, but now we've got Schoology assessment tips. There's so many different videos we can make for assessment, so I thought it made sense to make them in their own playlist. So if you're looking specifically for tips and tricks for assessments, you go right into this playlist and you can find them. Today's is going to be adding audio. How do we add audio to those assessments? So let's go in here and see how we do this. I'm going to go into an assessment I already have made. And I just added a multiple choice question. I'll go back and show you what I did here. I've got my test. I clicked multiple choice. I'm going to make a multiple choice question. We can add it to any type of question, but I picked multiple choice for a reason. I'll show you here. When you click into the box to type the actual question, you can change the size. You can add pictures. You can add videos, all kinds of stuff here. But when I click this little tool button, the very first thing that pops up is audio. This is how we add audio to our questions. If I click upload audio, it allows me to navigate to my device and find a file that I already have saved. Maybe I have a sound or a recording that I've already made for something. I can simply click it and attach it here. We're not going to do that today. We're going to look at this record audio button. This is really cool because in the past we had to go record it elsewhere and then upload audio into Schoology, but now you can just click record audio right here. 3, 2, 1. And now I'm recording audio right into my Schoology assessment. Pretty cool. Click finish. And that file is going to go right into my question. So I can put a question there. I can record myself doing directions. This is what it's going to look like. It's going to look like this bar right here. I can change that to be a button. I'll change it to this play button. I kind of like that. But just so you know, you can also click image. And then you can add your own image, your own play button, your own picture. So maybe you've got a cat and you put a picture of a cat in there and the sound is you making a cat noise. Whatever you want. I'm going to use the minimal right now though. Actually, nope, I said button. I'm going to use the button. I like that one. We click OK. And now my audio is right here in my question. It doesn't look like much now because we're still editing, but when you go to question preview, you see the play button right there at the top of the question. When you click play, now I'm recording audio right into my Schoology assessment. Works perfectly. All right, let's go back to edit question. Let's show you how to put this into the answers themselves. Maybe the answers are all audio. What sound does a cat make? And so the kids have to play and figure out which one is correct. You go right into the answer blank. You pick the same button, that tool button. You can record audio again. And now you record the answer to the question that you want the kids to listen to and choose from. I'm going to finish. This time I'm going to choose something slightly different. I'm going to choose the display as text. I've not seen that one yet. Well, I don't like that one. I'm going to choose the minimal. Click OK. And you'll see that that is into my answer. Once I preview, you'll see that answer choice is able to be clicked and played. And now you record the answer to the question that you want the kids to listen to and choose from. Excellent. It's just that easy. In any sort of question type, you can go into the question itself, go up here to Tools, look for the audio recorder, or go into the questions, go to Tools, look for the audio recorder. It's going to change the way you make assessments forever. Have a good one.